We just installed a TPMS sensor, you know, your tire pressure sensor on this Malibu. And we're gonna go over to the AUTEL Maxisys906ts. The TS at the end means it can do tire pressure sensors. That's what the TS means. Ooh. Go to TPMS function. We're gonna go Chevy, and it should ask us for a manufacturing date. Now, this scanner has been really good to me over the years, but a couple years in, the touchscreen stopped working, and you can buy replacement touchscreens for $99. I used to fix cell phones and stuff, so like it's really easy to replace the screens on these too, by the way. Malibu, we're clicking on the Malibu. Now it's gonna ask us for the date. And it is I wanna say 2016. Yeah, the manufacturing date was 12 of 2016 with the 433 megahertz sensor, not the 315. The way you figure out if it's 315 or 433 is click on one and see if it scans the sensor. All right, so we get to this page here. If your screen does go out, all you gotta do is plug a mouse in. Mouse is mice. Is it mice when it's a device?
Mice.
When it's a device, is it a mice or a mouse?
It's a mice.
I know if you have two mouse, it's mice, but this isn't a mouse. This is a. Anyways, they have device drivers. It just automatically picks it up. All you gotta do is plug the mouse in. So what you want to do first is we're gonna do a relearn. We click on relearn. We're gonna want to go around and trigger each sensor. There is barely visible because I've used it so much, a little TPMS symbol right here. That is your antenna, radio waves. We click on trigger, boom, it read it. That sensor's good. We can also check battery quality and all that. While we're at it, we're gonna trigger this one. All right, and this is the one that we replaced back here. And there is sensors you can buy that are AUTEL sensors. They're a great price. This one, if you don't have a fancy scan tool, you're gonna wanna put a clonable, no programming required in it. All right. A lot of the sensors use the quick software, so you gotta have a device with that. Or if I update my scanner finally, because I'm out of date, AUTEL came out with their own sensors and they are really good price. Can't speak for the quality, but they're a really good price. So yeah, update my scanner so I can use those. They came out with them recently. Now we've got all four sensors triggered. They're good. You have a manual relearn procedure that the scanner will show you. We're gonna do a OBD2 relearn. Now that we've triggered all the sensors, it'll say read and blah, blah, blah.
Blah, blah, blah.
And it should say, once it's finally done, it'll say, you know, chirp this, chirp that. Oh, we didn't turn the key on. Did we?
Nope.
This is a push button. So you're gonna put your finger on the push button and hold it until it turns green, I believe. Yep. The light inside turned green. It's like hold it for 5 seconds kind of thing. All right, so after pressing yes, horn will chirp to indicate learn mode has begun. Be sure to wait for a horn chirp after activating each sensor before continuing to the next. All right, it's gonna
Chirpy.
in progress. Here's your order. It beeped. It means it programmed that sensor to that tire. And then you go around. If it's successful, you'll hear that chirp every time. It means it was successful.
Nice. Sandy's helping out.
And after putting new sensors in, we can go and check the sensors to verify pressure on each tire and everything. I'll show you in a second. This is our last tire, and then it should trigger a bunch. It should chirp a bunch of times that learning is complete. See, gave us extra beeps at the end, so we can go to check right here, and it shows our tire pressure all the way around. Battery's okay. Temperature, megahertz. So it looks like that front left and a rear left could use a little bit. They're supposed to be at 33 psi on this vehicle.
All right.
And that's how you use the AUTEL to program tire sensors.